Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Method wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. Check this one out. This is their new lineup, the MR801. They're 22 by 10, 10 offset, 6 on 139, gloss black milled. 106 is the center board. Whenever you shop for this wheel, make sure to shop MR801 310-60510. It'll take you straight to this wheel. I'll pop this guy open. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So check it out. See how this bad boy looks. So I'm gonna put this thing down and showcase it for you. So here's your wheel, and I'll pull it out of the box. Here we go. This is your new Method 22 by 10 gloss black milled, the MR801. There you got it. So it's part of their bigger wheel series, Method Rise. So this is really nice, gloss black. Has a direction to it. TPMS sensor is compatible. Conical seat lug nuts. Has a pop-in center cap on the center with the new Method logo on the center of the cap. Great looking style. Let me give you the lip size on this. So from the face of the wheel to the edge of the barrel, you're at 1.5 inches. And man, it's just a great looking wheel. So if you guys are interested in this style or any other bigger sizes in Method, let us know. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.